besties, it's Becca. In today's video we have a bunch of Brad Mondo stuff that he sent me. We are trying the blonde shampoo in my hair. This one. We are trying the Supernova Blonde Toning Shampoo on my freshly bleached hair. It is nothing but the best on your hair and trying to get rid of brassiness, so we're putting it to the test on freshly bleached hair. Let's get into the video right now. I'm super excited for today's video, even though I love a good Barbie blonde, but I also love a good brass-free blonde, especially like around like the fall time and the winter time. But I think my favorite hair color, it always is going to be this Barbie blonde. I just feel like it complements my skin so well. Today's video, we are trying the Supernova Blonde Toning Shampoo by X Mondo. I love the name X Mondo. It sounds so bougie. He also sent me the conditioner that matches the shampoo, and they're both purple. We have the Supernova Toning Mask, Supernova Blonde Toning Mousse. This one I'm excited to try in my videos because everyone has been saying it is literally the best. I have the Platinum 5-Minute Top Coat. Also great reviews. Like almost every product, everyone is saying great things about it. I am so filled with information, and it's just everyone is telling me, thank God you're trying it. It is the best. You'll love it. Which I'm glad it's not the opposite reviews because I'd be very nervous. This one I'm really excited to try. I'm going to be trying it in my video. It's their hydrating mask. And my hair, of course, I'm a blonde. I always need some hydrating going on. Then he sent me a lovely card, and I always appreciate when companies send out a card. Of course, this is a toning shampoo, so we will have to have, obviously, wet hair. It also states at the bottom here, it has a bond builder. I love that because we always want the extra protection, honey. Now, this is purple. And that's normal for purple shampoo because that's how you correct your hair color. But it is bright purple. Blast off to the stars. Supernova Toning Shampoo is designed with unique super blend of pigments to reduce unwanted yellow tones of blonde or highlighted hair. Vegan and cruelty-free, gluten-free, and color safe. I'm going to go wet my hair real quick. And yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, so it is very saturated, okay? It's dripping all over the place, and it's just like we were in the shower or bath right now. We have wet hair, so don't mind all the drip drops and whatever. I'm not gonna lie, I'm very scared. I have had like some bad calls with purple shampoo, like I said, and it's like a sin for me to use purple shampoo. I always had an issue with purple shampoos and not finding a good shampoo that is like, you know, can actually do what's supposed to do with not leaving lingering colors. So that's why we're testing this out, because I have the perfect canvas for purple shampoo. This is what it looks like. You can extend the pump so you can, you know, squirt it away, and it's purple. Oh my gosh, guys. I have to add a lot because I need to get a good coat. Oh my gosh, I'm doing it. Oh Lord. I had to do a quick little like video segment there, so hopefully, you know, it's hard being a YouTuber, okay? We have to like stop and then make another video for like somewhere else, and like, oh my gosh, the time crunch is real. Like I said, we have to work on a very tight crunch right now. I'm trying to get it all over fast and quick and effective, in my opinion. I'm also gonna do my eyebrows because why not? They're brassy. We bleached them, so we got this on. Make sure you like really get the product in there. I'm gonna go wash this out right now because I don't want it to overtone. Wait, how long do you even leave this on for? Okay, I'll be back to tell you. Okay, I don't have time to look. I have a little bit on my roots area because naturally your roots are way darker than the rest of your hair, and the ends of your hair in midway are going to color more faster than your roots. So I just have it in a little bit more areas, but honestly guys, I'm very impressed. This stuff is wow. Okay, wow. I came out fabulous. Do you guys see this? I have white hair. Like, what? Like, what? Genuinely, I don't think I've ever had results like this from a purple shampoo of having like white platinum hair. I figured we can try the X Mondo hydrating mask on our hair after we've just used his purple shampoo. Like, it only makes sense. Hello, like, might as well use it in this video, right? It is a hydrating mask designed to lock moisture in and undercover silky smooth glowing hair. Apply to damp hair, leave on for 5 minutes, and then rinse. Very easy. This is just going to add the moisture into your hair and lock it in so we have beautiful hydrating hair. Because honestly, as a blonde, it is just the most ugliest look to not have hydrating hair. And I've learned that the hardest way. So that's why I have completely switched up my hair care routine and getting rid of all these products that are actually drying my hair out. So this is what it looks like when you open it. I love the color. It's just like, and the smell is amazing, like absolutely amazing. Like that's probably my favorite part about this product is the color, Brad Mondo. We are just gonna add this to our hair to add that moisture in and repair our hair. Even though toning shampoos, they don't do any, like, they're meant so that you can tone your hair without damage than using like a regular toner. Because regular toners that you use a peroxide with do a little bit of damage to your hair. So that's why it's good to have like a backup of like purple shampoos, because it will not harm your hair in the like toning process of this, you know, counteracting brassiness. Like, look at that. This is like white. I can't believe it. Like, I'm actually shocked. And I like to use a lot of product because I like to get the full review on how the product feels. I know you guys are probably like dying how much product I'm using, but for video purposes, I like to just go extra and apply every strand to give you the full result of how I feel about this. This smells like your typical vacation smell, like in Hawaii or like you're going away tropical. Like, it's very coconutty. It has like a pineapple scent to it, but mainly like a coconut smell. It's like to die for. This smell, oh my gosh. It just smells so good. I am done with applying the mask. I'm gonna leave it on for 5 minutes and then we will be back with the final results with the color and the hydrating mask. I'm so excited, bestie. It is Die Hard Barbie approved. This is like a T18, like without the damage. You know what I mean? Like, this is just never even heard of. A purple shampoo? You guys know I hate purple shampoos. Like, I am like, don't touch me with a 10-foot pole. Like, get away from me. I just have had the worst experience with purple shampoos. For years, I have never messed around with purple shampoos after my horrifying look of trying to get rid of the purple, the gray, the silver, the dark blonde, the light blonde, the platinum, the white. Like, it's all in your hair when you use a purple shampoo, not X Mondo blonde toning shampoo. It literally leaves you, look. I can't make this up. This is amazing. This is why everyone raves about this product. This is marvelous that I can get to this color just by a shampoo. I did freshen up my ends a bit with giving myself a little bit of a little haircut. I know, guys, I do this every single time, but I really love the short hair look. I think it just looks really good on me and I just can't resist. I love it. Hair mask is amazing as well. It left my hair very hydrated and soft afterwards. It's just, my hair just feels luxury. It feels amazing. It feels like I did nothing to my head. I can't wait to try the other products. I'm a little bit concerned about the mousse one, the toning mousse one. That one I'm a little bit like, toning mousse. You guys know. Because it's like, you never have heard of a toning mousse, right? I can't wait for the video. Can you guys? Because I'm going to be trying that product out. This is a hair color. My hair is a little bit damp right now, but we are going to style it in this video. We are going to give ourselves the round brush effect with my hair since I just did cut my hair. I got sent by Amik a bunch of their hair products. They have a round blowout brush. They have a regular hair brush. They have a round blowout brush, another one that's probably thicker. Speeds up drying time, increases shine, and prevents hair damage. And it's their round brush. I'll link the site down below so you guys can check it out and buy. I think they also have a promo code that they are giving to me that I will link down in this video. And then they also have another 10%, I think, on their website. It's such a cute color. Like, this is so neat. I love it. This is their 1.7 inch brush. In the box, it gives you hair clips. Like, how cute. Let's just open these up because I'm curious. I love a good round brush, guys. I love the look. Oh, it comes with two and it matches the little brush. That's so cute. This one is their 1.3 inch brush. So we're gonna look at this one. I think they all come with clips. So if you do buy from this company, you will get clips as well. Everyone needs clips. I know I'm probably gonna like this one better for my hair just because my hair is short. And this is the 1.3 inch round brush. Also sent me their regular hair brush to try because your girl, hello. You always need, oh, it's pink. Okay. I like that it's like kind of like inward, the brush. Wow. If you have damaged hair like me, this will probably be the perfect brush for you because it's just so easy to bend and doesn't pull and rip your hair. We're gonna try the 1.3 brush out on my hair. I'm gonna go wet my hair a little bit more and then we can start the blow drying effect. Wow, this is like really nice. Okay, this is amazing. This is probably the best brush I have ever tried. I can't even make this up. Do you guys see that beautiful shine? Wow. This is amazing. So we are just gonna go and blow dry the rest of her hair and I'll fast forward it so you guys are not so bored with watching me do it because it won't take me that long, but you know. I'm gonna try the bigger one on this side just to see how it will be, just to try it, you know. Doesn't ever hurt to try. I do like my ends more rounded out, so I tend to stay more focused on the ends with rounding them out. It's like the perfect blowout look, honestly. You just go like this, section by section. I definitely recommend the 1.3 inch round brush. I feel like you have more control and you get more texture, especially if you're short hair like me. It's kind of harder to get the blowout look. The 1.7, it does a really good job, but I feel like it would just do so much better on someone that has at least like hair up to here or longer hair. This hair color is absolutely to die for. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. I love this brush as well. It's very easy to go throughout your hair. Like it just, look at that, guys. And I like the bend on it, honestly. It's just very easy to move and it just feels good on the hand. And I think that's a very important thing for me, is to have something that feels good on the hand. Same with these brushes. They're very gentle and easy to move, so they're not going to pull and rip your hair out. I prefer these over like the heat ones. I don't know. I feel like you get more control and better results with using like the good old-fashioned round brush, you know? Nothing better than that. And this is what the hair salon uses anyways, you know what I mean? And you can buy everything that I've showed you guys on their website. Oh my gosh, these ones are different. These ones are like shiny. Okay, like so, wow, like put on your makeup. And it comes with it. So if you guys don't want to buy it separately, it comes in the box when you buy a round brush, so you don't even have to worry. Check out my Etsy as well, besties. I have a bunch of stuff on there. I have like bedazzled rhinestone Stanley cups. I love mine. Until this day, I still have my own original one that I made, like my first testing cup, and it's still in immaculate condition. And that was like 2 years ago. And I make sure that all the gems are on there. I do each gem one by one. And then I also have a couple of, like I got merch on there. There's like a bunch of stuff on there. Check it out and give this video a like and subscribe. And I hope to see you guys in my next freaking video. Bye guys.